a vision in pink and purples and rose golds, blush pink. So I've used Sugar Flare blush pink, I think it's blush pink. I'll double check that, to colour my buttercream on this one. And then I've just added more intense colours as I've gone on down the cake, and it sort of all ties in together. To get these darker bits, what I did was put some food colouring in, but didn't completely mix it through my buttercream, so that when you spread it onto the cake you get these lovely darker bits. So we've got an array of artificial flowers on this one, mixed with a rose gold drip and matching rose gold macarons. I've not made the macarons. I'm not that skilled. You do have to have a lot of patience to make those, but they're just so easily shop bought. Come in loads of different flavours and colours, so you can get your colours to match. These were pink to begin with, and then I've just gone over the top with a bit of the edible luster dust that I've used to paint the drip with to match. That's Faye Cahill. I'm not sure on her surname, but she does a fantastic range of edible luster dust. The sparkle on them is like nothing else that I've been able to find, and it's so versatile. You can paint drips with it, you can buff your cakes with it. As I say, the sparkle on that is just incredible. For an edible luster dust anyway, you can get some fantastic luster dusts out there that are so sparkly, but just double check, because a lot of them aren't actually edible. They might say that they're non-toxic, but they have to specifically say edible on them. So yeah, this is a 6-inch round, a tall one again, in this beautiful blush dusky pink. That's the name of the Sugar Flare colour, dusky pink. Such an elegant style, this design. They're so popular at the minute, and you can see why, can't you? Because they're just so versatile as well. You could do these in any different colours. This would be a fantastic little wedding cake, a fantastic little christening, a fantastic birthday. It's suitable for so many different occasions. And because you can play around with the colours, of course, you could do this for a male, female, a younger person, an older person. Just a fantastic go-to design, which just screams sophistication, screams style, and nowhere near as time consuming as a lot of my cakes as well. There's not a lot of handmade detail to these. Still fairly time consuming. I've yet to come across a cake that isn't time consuming. They all take a lot of time and patience, I find. So I've just got these little edible pink strand sprinkles to add a bit of a modern twist. The drip, the artificial flowers. It's just fabulous, and I love the sort of marble two-tone ombre effect on the cakes as well. As I say, just start out with a lighter coloured buttercream. Ice your top in that colour, and then as you're going down, just add more colour to your buttercream. Always start with lighter, because you can make it darker. You can't make darker lighter. And then for the really dark bits, as I say, if you just add a splodge of your desired colour, and don't mix it all the way through, so that when you come to sort of apply it to your cake, you get these lovely darker bits. So yeah, that's this gorgeous little number.